Hi, this is Dr. Mason Connolly from Back Pain Relief Chiropractic. I'm here with Jennifer, who comes in today with a little bit of low back pain, and she's also feeling like she's starting to develop a headache. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how we do an adjustment here today. You take a nice deep breath in, all the way out for me. Good. And again for me. Great. Deep breath in, all the way out. Deep breath in, all the way. A little bit of a push. Good. Relax. Just relax. Great. Other side. How's that feel? Good. Feel better?
Yeah.
Good. That's what we're looking for. All right. Well, I'm Dr. Mason Connolly from Back Pain Relief Chiropractic. Thanks for watching.